Hi friends, welcome to my channel Renu's Chalk and Talk. If you are new, please do subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share my video with your friends and family. We continue adverbs, the topic adverbs, and today we do degrees of comparison. Just like adjectives, adverbs also have three forms of comparison, that is three degrees of comparison, I mean to say. So positive, comparative and superlative degree, just like adjectives. And today we discuss the formation of comparatives and superlatives in adverbs. How do they form? We just look at one by one with examples. First one, adverbs of one syllable, take er and est in comparatives, er and est in superlatives. So adverbs of one syllable or single syllable, they take er and est in comparatives and superlatives. Like for example, in positive degree, it is fast is there. Then in comparative form, it changes it to faster, fast, faster, and in superlative degree, it is fastest, fast, faster, fastest. ER and EST. Hard, harder, hardest. High, higher, highest. Near, nearer, nearest. Soon, sooner, soonest. Early, earlier, earliest. Y ending, so IER and IEST. Early, earlier, earliest. So let us look at the three degrees. How do we write in sentences also? We just look at examples. Rahul runs as fast as Kapil. As fast as Kapil. When it is there as fast as, immediately identify it as an positive degree. It is in positive degree. Kapil does not run. This is the thing you have to do in adverbs. Runs is there, so it changes into negatives. Whenever you have to make, we have to take the help of do forms. Runs is there, does. Kapil does not run faster than Rahul. Does not run faster than. This is important. Does not run faster than Rahul. Comparative degree. Then Rohit runs fastest of all. Rohit runs fastest of all. It is in superlative degree. Fastest of all. Fastest. So EST, superlative form. Similarly, you can take Lekha writes, Rekha works. Rekha works as hard as Rekha. Lekha works as hard as Rekha. Rekha does not work harder than Lekha. Rekha does not work harder than Lekha. Reshma works hardest of all. Hard, harder, hardest. Whenever we are using the second form, we have to go for than. Whenever you use these, as we have to use, and third form, you have to go with est. Hardest of, he works hardest of all. Reshma works hardest of all. Rohit runs fastest of all. Superlative form. Next. Adverbs of two or more syllables form their comparatives and superlatives by putting more and most before them. We put more for comparatives and most for superlatives. Okay, this is second one. Here two or more syllables are there in positive form. Then in comparative form we add more, and in superlative form we add most. Slowly, more slowly, most slowly. Softly, more softly, most softly. Politely, more politely, most politely. Sweetly, more sweetly, most sweetly. Quickly, more quickly, most quickly. Like that. So the words which have the adverbs which have two or more syllables, then we have to go in comparative form, we have to take the help of more, and then in superlatives we have to take the help of most. We have to add them. So Anil spoke more loudly than Akhil spoke more loudly than Nikhil. Akhil spoke more loudly than Nikhil. Whenever these words immediately more loudly than, immediately we have to identify it is in comparative degree. Then how do you change them into positive form? Here spoke is there, so we have to take the help of do forms in negatives. Did not speak. So Nikhil did not speak. Spoke changes into did not speak as loudly as. Because in positive form we have to go first form. So as also we have to use as loudly as Akhil. As loudly as Akhil. Nikhil did not speak as loudly as Akhil. Anil spoke most loudly of all, most loudly of all. Akhil spoke most loudly of all. If it is adjective, loud, louder, loudest, simply we are using. But it is loudly, adverb, isn't it? Then we have to go for more and most. Anil spoke most loudly of all. It is in superlative form. Next. Then third one is irregular comparisons. Okay, it is not regular. Like by adding er and est, we get in the first form. Second one, more and most we added. This is irregular one. All the three are different. Far, farther, farthest. Well, better, best. Badly, worse, worst. Much, more, most. Okay, these are positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Let us look at the example. The deer jumps farther than the frog. Jumps farther than the frog. So here jumps and farther than is there. So farther than means comparative degree. Farther than comparative degree. Then how do you change it to positive form? The frog, bring it to front. The frog does not jump because jumps is there. For example, if jumped is there here, form, jumped past form is there, then we have to go for did not. If jumped is there, did not. If jump is there, plural, we use jump, isn't it? Then you have to go with do form. So do, does, did. These three we have to take the help when you have change it into another forms. So the frog does not jump as far as, this is important, as far as the deer. The frog does not jump as far as the deer. Positive degree. The kangaroo jumps farthest of all. The kangaroo jumps farthest of all. Superlative degree. Then you have to notice in all superlative forms, we are not adding in adverbs the before superlative form. This is an important thing in correction of sentences. You have to identify like that. Suppose the kangaroo jumps the farthest of all. It is wrong. Kangaroo jumps farthest of all. He works hardest of all. Okay, she runs fastest of all. That's all, not the fastest, the hardest, the farthest. Like that, you should not use. This is the way you have to identify the degrees of comparison in relation to adverbs. Thank you for watching my video. With this, I'll wind up the session. I'll be back soon. Thank you once again.